we have box. Okay, crocodile lang.
Bro. Oh my God, bro.
Okay, our largest antelope, so eland, and also eland is known for the largest
Bro, look
spiral
at
horn,
them.
which will grow up to 3.3
There
feet or
are-
1 meter long. And both female and male eland have their firstborn, which can be used for defense or dominance display.
See?
And their white stripe at their back, which can be used for camouflage. And the female eland can produce waterback, have strong association with water, meaning to evade or escape their predators like lion, cheetah, and other African wild dogs. And waterbacks are active both day and night, meaning nocturnal and diurnal po sila observe. And their fun facts must be water.
Chat. We are here in Paris. Oh, it's sugar canes, bruh. Sugar canes. Oh, God.
And we call it African savanna, ma'am sir, because all of the animals originated from Africa. But brethren and their human circle will stay and
Oh,
alright, so but some of them are naturalized Filipino citizens now. We are breeding inside Cebu Safari. So in total, we have 370 hectares. But inside Cebu Safari, we have 170 hectares. Palang yung na-develop. So it is owned by Señorita Cavalier and managed by our Vice President, Sir Edward Tuno. So it is a home of over 127 different species inside Cebu Safari.
look at that.
Okay, so right side, you'll find the shading area. Glass box recognizable
Oh my
by
God,
visual
bro.
white marking on their
Oh my
faces.
God.
And glass box are both active.
It's a
glass box are
glass
active
box.
lang po, meaning diurnal lang po yung glass box. Okay, once again, glass box. Ilang white forehead sila po? 100.
See, bro? Look.
Take a picture.
Look at your beans. Picture kaya, ikaw na lang kuya, kay Dugay, kay beans. Dato bang dere kay picture yan?
Palikuran dia. Sit down.
Dire, dire kuya, sit down.
Hindi lang, hindi lang ha.
Bangkay sita na.
Alright. In the wild, that's the favorite food of the lion. But they can run up to 90 kilometers away. And we have our smallest and cutest antelope, Thompson's gazelle.
Hi, mommy.
But despite of that, they can travel in a long distance. So they're also fast runner.
Look at
They
that,
can
bro.
run up to 80 kilometers per hour.
Make sure to like and
we have
subscribe,
very
alright,
good
guys?
Well, the best known as the clown of African savanna because during it. Okay, we're almost
Oh, it's
done.
going now, bro. It's going. Whoa, whoa, whoa.
Sorry, in the wild boxer, favorite food of the lion.
Look.
Male and pala have horn while females don't have. Ano siya? Pala.
They can really jump high, guys.
Yes, they can jump high. They can jump up to 3 meters and cover their stunts on 12 meters.
Na-study na ko ni sa science.
The Tower Crocodile area is a self-guided tour. Walking down tour going to Sulcata tortoise, silver cats, patas monkeys, spotted hyena, cheetah, and our highlight, the giraffe. And don't forget our bird show at exactly 1:45 p.m. White tiger feeding 4:30 p.m. Giraffe feeding 3 p.m. So once again, thank you so much everyone and enjoy the rest of the tour. Thank you so much, Ma'am Sir.
What's your job? Okay, boss, thank you. Here's the
Anyways, bye, guys.